Now, time for some holiday edition of business, and the Bank of Ghana is cautioning electronic money transfer operators against the extension of credit facilities to subscribers. As part of effort at expanding the frontiers of financial inclusion, some electronic money operators have introduced credit facilities to their customers, contrary to the Bank of Ghana guidelines. Speaking with Joy Business Ahead, the head of payment system at the Bank of Ghana, Seto Amedeku, said operating such a service is illegal unless it's being done in partnership with the commercial banks.
The central bank has duly written to that mobile money operator to suspend that operation because that activity is illegal. It is not within the provisions of the guideline. Paragraph 11 of our guideline, permissible transaction, is stated clearly that mobile money operators cannot offer credit products unless these credit products are underwritten by a duly licensed regulated financial institution. So we have written, including the bank that is involved, we have written to them to suspend. And if you watch, you could see that most of these adverts the mobile money operator is undertaking with respect to this product has been suspended. And the central bank is continuously monitoring it to ensure that the mobile money operator operates within the guideline. So let me assure the central bank would like to assure everyone that mobile money operators are not allowed to offer credit. And the central bank has no plan to allow any mobile money operator to offer credit unless they use a regulated financial institution. So I think that is where the misunderstanding is coming from. But in a letter dated 23rd May 2016, addressed to the mobile money operator and the bank involved, we have duly informed them no mobile money operator can on itself say that it is offering credit products to any person or group of persons.
This particular story is actually anchored on an earlier statement from a member of the Finance Committee of Parliament, Alexander Afenyomakin, questioning the legality of mobile money services here in Ghana, saying it is a legal backing and hints of plans to file a petition to summon officials of the Bank of Ghana to appear before Parliament to answer questions. And moving on here, the SIC company is re-strategizing to shield itself from any possible negative impact of the rains this year, learning lessons from last year's June 3rd floods and fire disaster. Head of Sales and Marketing, Emmanuel Simpin Jr. says the company spent about 80% of its finances settling client claims.
We have a lot of measures in place. First of all, we can increase what we call our excess or deductible on the policy, which means that, for instance, if you incur a loss arising out of flood, we may not pay you. We may end up not paying all the amount of loss you have suffered. We'll just pay you a portion. That is what we call the increase in deductible. But at times we may go off cover if we look at it that it is more of certainty, because insurance is based on uncertainty. So if it is so certain that the slightest water that comes, there will be a loss against us, then we'll be off cover. Or we'll advise you either to relocate or to stack your things to a certain level. Okay. There is a group around the Odo. They have warehouses there. Some of them we have told them to stack the things at very high levels. They must use only one entrance to enter, and even the entrance should be such that water cannot enter. We have done a lot of things. There is a phone shop at Circle. I've forgotten the name, but it's one of the phone shops. Immediately you enter, you sit in the middle there. It's a store building. We told them never to display the items on the first floor, because we know that when there's water settling, the first floor will be damaged. So all the items, displayed items, are on the second floor. So these are part of the risk management processes. I'll give you a very good example. A very, very good example. You go to Japan Motors today, have you seen their car park? Have you seen what they have done to their car park? Metal stores, about 4 or 5 stories. Have you seen them? That's why it's because of the flood. Some of these things are some of the risk management.
So that will be it for business, but there's more at 1 on the marketplace, the holiday edition. We'll actually be discussing the AU African matters arising, especially to do with industrialization. So just let's actually make a date at 1 on the marketplace. My name is John Kojo Amwako.